If you've lost access to your PNC bank account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the PNC Bank website. Go to the official PNC Bank website using a web browser. Look for the sign-on option to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options available. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you cannot use your phone number, select an alternative recovery method. This might include answering security questions or using an email associated with your account. Step 4. Verify your identity. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven to use before and confirm it. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your PNC Bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting PNC Bank customer support for further assistance.